Imagine an off-road adventure where your vehicle anticipates every turn and obstacle, not just navigation, but with a symphony of carefully orchestrated sounds. Welcome to the future of extreme vehicle modifications, where AI-driven soundscapes are reshaping the off-road experience. By integrating advanced AI, vehicles can now generate dynamic sound environments that not only enhance the immersive feeling of the journey, but also serve as auditory cues for impending hazards. This tech is revolutionizing both entertainment and safety, making driving through rugged terrains smoother and more intuitive. With celebrity endorsements and survival experts touting its effectiveness, this innovation is setting the stage for a new era in vehicular adventures.